And you can see the dramatic visuals coming out from the Prime Minister's residence gate, where you can see the senior Congress leaders are right now being detained.
क्या करेगा आगे जाके यार? हरप्रीत, रेनू का नाम उधर है भाई, रेनू का नाम है वही है। हरप्रीत, छोड़ दो, चलो।
That how the Congress party was continuously holding a protest, and now there are dramatic visuals which are coming from here, as now even it is being told that Rahul Gandhi has also been detained by the Delhi police. You can see that how the RAF personnel are also, removing all the protesters who were sitting on a dharna here outside the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. One by one, all of these leaders are being taken away from here in the bus, in the police van. You can see the visuals as well, that how the Congress leaders are currently,
In fact, as you can see, a short while here, Akhilesh Yadav has arrived here at the Lok Kalyan Marg. This is where we are at, and you can see Rahul Gandhi and the leaders of the top leader of the Congress party, they are about to be detained. You see the police present there in large numbers, and how, in fact, Congress leaders are trying to build up a cordon in front of him. The police and the RAF who are present here in large numbers, their numbers have increasingly swelled up in just the last few moments. They are coming in front to try and detain, of course, Rahul Gandhi, take him away from this particular location. They are saying that there was no permission as far as a protest is concerned, and you can see, of course, Rahul Gandhi along with top leaders Akhilesh Yadav as well present over there in front, along with Rahul Gandhi, who are now making their way away from this particular location, and they are in the process of being detained even as we speak. So let's try, and we are trying, of course, to speak to several of these leaders. We haven't been very successful in doing that because of the huge amount of police personnel that you can see, in fact, who are over here, security personnel who are not allowing for, who are in fact trying to detain Rahul and other leaders who have been sitting here on dharna. They haven't been able to do so, but Akhilesh Yadav also amongst those who's present over here at, in fact, the Lok Kalyan Marg, where the protests are currently underway. So top leaders of the Congress party who are present over here, and of course we are trying to make our way to try and speak to them, but a lot of pandemonium, a lot of panic that's been seen over here. The manner in which, in fact, leaders have been detained, and of course leaders who have not got permission in terms of this protest. Of course, it's taken the entire security personnel by storm. Bhavtosh is with us. Bhavtosh, it's a situation that is rather unprecedented. It's all happening in this high security zone, which is right outside Lok Kalyan Marg. Akhilesh Yadav also arriving over here. Has Rahul Gandhi been whisked away by the officials? Over to you, Bhavtosh.
Yes, Madhav. In fact, your audio is not very clear, but what we can tell our viewers is that all the leaders of Congress who have been protesting here, they are being detained. In fact, some of them have been taken in 2 buses that have just left, and there are at least 3 to 4 other buses. We can also tell our viewers that Rahul Gandhi is a Z plus protectee, so whenever his bus leaves, his protection or his cavalcade will also accompany him. That means that Rahul Gandhi would be accompanied by his special protection or the whatever the Z plus protection that he gets. So this escort that accompanies him will follow Rahul Gandhi. In fact, his personnel are also present. Dramatic visuals that are coming outside from Rahul Gandhi's from the Prime Minister's residence, the backside of Rahul Gandhi, Prime Minister's residence. If I can show or tell my Vijay Tanveer to show, that's Rahul Gandhi's special Z plus protection. these guys are there. They're all waiting to get a go-ahead from the Delhi police. So as soon as Rahul Gandhi leaves, they will accompany him. Rahul Gandhi's social media team is also present. They will try to capture the visuals. In fact, that's Rahul Gandhi's car which accompanies him. So Rahul
Gandhi, right, another attempt being made to whisk him away. I don't know if you can see it in the camera right in front of you. I'm going to ask my Vijay Sachin to focus on Rahul there. Attempts, it's like a tug of war, repeatedly being asked to, move back and forth. We've seen Rahul Gandhi and Congress leaders being pulled by the police personnel, and now he has sat down. Yes, Rahul Gandhi and other leaders have sat down on Dharna at that particular location. Akhilesh Yadav also right next to him, and other top leaders including Amrinder Raja Wading, Abhishek Dutt and others who are also present with Rahul Gandhi, who are sitting down on Dharna. So high drama on the streets of the national capital. This is unlike what we normally see in Lutyens, Delhi, and all of it unfolding right outside the Prime Minister's residence. And this is of course the situation that as it exists, all of course for the demand of the resignation of Union for the issue of heat, who are present, trying to pull out these leaders from this particular location. Akhilesh Yadav just arriving, of course, Akhilesh Yadav and others. Taken. Niyamika is with us. Niyamika, I believe you have top Congress leaders with you. What do they have to say about the protest and, of course, the manner in which the allegation of Jitendra Singh came in that Rahul Gandhi is changing the goalpost? First, he asked for a discussion in Parliament, and then he says he will not stop short of the resignation of Education Minister. Over to you, Niyamika.
Sir, because you had made certain demands, you were saying that there should be a resignation of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. That is not being accepted by the government.
I can't hear anything.
Sir, the resignation of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan hasn't been accepted by the government till now. Now, the police is detaining all the Congress leaders. What do you want to say about this, sir?
See, it is very unfortunate that when the Prime Minister and the entire government should have been standing with the young people of India, the students of India, they are trying to protect Dharmendra Pradhan, who has been responsible to destroy the future of the young people of India. A number of students have committed suicide. A number of students have lost opportunities. A generation has put to face challenges which were not before them. The Prime Minister should have stood with the younger generation, but he is trying to protect a minister who has failed in his duty. It is very unfortunate.
The government is saying we are ready to have a discussion within the parliament. That was the demand which the opposition was raising. Are you actually satisfied with this, or the Congress
dramatic
party?
pictures, one by one, the Congress leaders have been detained. I just saw J.B. Mathur going in. Akhilesh Yadav also making his way that way towards, in fact, the bus where the detainees are being taken. There are several buses that have been brought in over here to take all those who are detained. That is, of course, on this side towards the circle itself. On my left is where Rahul Gandhi and others are sitting over here. If the camera can just pan and show you one by one these leaders also who are being taken away from here by the police, because clearly there was an attempt being made for discussion. The Home Secretary, the Minister of State, Prime Minister, all present over here. His demand for a discussion in House, Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs, for the Prime Minister's office, I beg your pardon, Dr. Jitendra Singh, was accepted. And after he got that decision from the government, when he came back to convey to Rahul Gandhi, he said he will not stop short of a resignation of the Education Minister. Okay, Amrinder Raja Singh Wading, who's another leader who's been taken out even as we speak, he has been removed. He has, of course, been standing along with Rahul Gandhi all along. And Amrinder Raja Wading now being pushed, and the police pushing back and forth with the protesters also, and the Congress leaders and workers also pushing back and forth. Bhavtosh is with us. Bhavtosh, high drama near you as well. Over to you, Bhavtosh.
Yes, Madhav, in fact, we are just standing next to Rahul Gandhi's car, the car that Rahul Gandhi generally uses. So if Rahul Gandhi is made to sit in this car and leave, then we will try to get the visual, but utter chaos and confusion outside or at least the backside of Prime Minister's residence. Senior police officers have been given a go-ahead to remove everyone who have been sitting on the protest for past 2 to 2.5 hours. A direction has been given to them. Dramatic set of visuals we in fact got with Special Protection Group senior officers coming here. In fact, Rahul Gandhi has been moved. We exactly don't know in which vehicle he has been removed, but we can tell you that CRPF personnel who generally accompany Rahul Gandhi, we can spot them. They are moving. And I will just try to see where Rahul Gandhi has exactly gone. But Rahul Gandhi is somewhere here, and it appears that they have made a backup plan of moving Rahul Gandhi. That's the cavalcade of Rahul Gandhi that will accompany whenever he is removed from this spot. Akhilesh Yadav has just been taken in that bus, and Akhilesh Yadav and others also are being removed from here. This is Rahul Gandhi's car and his escort that accompanies him. This is an armored vehicle that accompanies him. So it could be possible that Rahul Gandhi would soon be taken out. There are several cameras that have been stationed here since beginning, since he came here to protest. And
end this dharna if you get assurance. बोले हाँ. फिर हमने थोड़ी सी मुशक्कत की, एक्सरसाइज की, सरकार के शीर्ष नेतृत्व से चर्चा हुई और हमें ये कहा गया कि आप सरकार की ओर से उनको आश्वासन दीजिए कि सरकार को कोई आपत्ति नहीं है, सरकार तैयार है संसद में चर्चा करने के लिए, नीट को लेकर के भी, उसके साथ संबंधित विषयों को लेकर के भी, जो आंदोलन है उसको लेकर के भी। हमने जब ये बात वहीं पर राहुल गांधी जी के आगे दोबारा रखी तो बोले कि साहब मुझे तो शिक्षा मंत्री का इस्तीफा भी चाहिए। तो हमने कहा साहब अभी कुछ ही क्षण पहले आपसे बार बार जब पूछा गया कि आपका क्या मुतालबा है तो आपने ये कहा था कि अगर मुझे ये आश्वासन दिया जाए कि संसद में कांग्रेस पार्टी को भारत सरकार चर्चा करने देगी या करने के लिए तैयार है तो मैं तुरंत ये धरना समाप्त कर दूंगा। लेकिन अब आप अपनी बात से हट रहे हैं। तो बोले साहब ये तो मेरी मर्जी है, मेरी मांगें बदल चुकी हैं। हमने कहा सर दिस इज नॉट फेयर, यू आर चेंजिंग द गोल पोस्ट। बोले दिस इज माई विश। तो फिर हमने उनको विनम्रता से समझाने का प्रयास किया कि आप जैसे वरिष्ठ नेता को, जो नेता प्रतिपक्ष भी हैं, एलओपी भी हैं, ये शोभा नहीं देता कि कुछ ही क्षणों में आप अपनी बात से मुकर जाए। जब सरकार ये कह रही है कि संसद में चर्चा के लिए तैयार है, न केवल इस विषय को लेकर बल्कि इस विषय के साथ संबंधित अन्य सभी विषयों को विस्तृत चर्चा के लिए तैयार है, तो बोले साहब नहीं, हम तो यहीं बैठेंगे, आप हमें उठा लीजिए। बोले साहब मैं तो आपसे चर्चा करने आया था बड़े विनम्रता से, आपको उठाने का तो हमारा इरादा नहीं था, मैं तो सिर्फ आपसे ये अनुरोध करने आया था। लेकिन ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप शायद आप उस मूड में ही नहीं है कि आप कुछ वाया मीडिया या रास्ता निकाला जा सके। तो बोले आप जो मर्जी इसका निष्कर्ष निकालिए, मैं तो वही करूंगा जो मेरी मर्जी है। फिर गृह सचिव जी ने भी एक बात रखी कि साहब अगर आपको बैठना ही है धरने पर तो कम से कम इस जगह ना बैठिए, ये इससे बहुत असुविधा हो रही है जनसंधारण को। तो बोले ये भी मेरी मर्जी है। तो मुझे बड़े अफसोस के साथ कहना पड़ता है, ये बड़ा ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है कि एलओपी का इस प्रकार का व्यवहार रहे कि वो अपने पक्ष को इतनी जल्दी बदलते हैं। और इसका अर्थ ये हुआ कि वो कन्फ्लिक्ट के मूड में है, वो चाहते ही नहीं कि सरकार के साथ सहयोग करके जनहित के विषयों पर चर्चा की जाए या जनहित के विषयों को आगे बढ़ाया जाए। वो ये मन बना करके आए हैं कि कन्फ्रंटेशन हो, कन्फ्लिक्ट हो, मुझे कोई मुद्दा मिले। लेकिन हम जानते हैं इस देश का आम इंसान, आम नागरिक इतनी समझ रखता है कि उस प्रकार की पॉलिटिकिंग में या इस तरह की राजनीतिक नौटंकी के झांसे में नहीं आने वाला। और जहां तक सरकार का ताल्लुक है, आपको स्मरण हुआ आज प्रातः ही प्रधानमंत्री जी ने बहुत स्पष्ट कहा है कि नीट और पेपर लीक इत्यादि विषयों के लेकर के जो लोग भी जिम्मेवार हैं उनके खिलाफ कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई की जाएगी, की भी जा रही है। बहुत सारे लोग हिरासत में भी लिए गए हैं। ये एक ऐसा विषय है जिससे लगभग देश का हर प्रदेश मुतासिर हुआ है, प्रभावित हुआ है। और हम अपने बच्चों के साथ अन्याय नहीं होने देंगे, ना ही बर्दाश्त करेंगे। उसके बावजूद भी यदि विपक्ष और नेता प्रतिपक्ष सहयोग करने को तैयार नहीं है तो मुझे विश्वास है देश की जनता देख रही है, जिम्मेवारी उनकी रहेगी।
Short while earlier, we saw Rahul Gandhi as well as Priyanka Gandhi, other top leaders, who actually were detained. In fact, several other top leaders who are present over here as well. Let's quickly try and get the word from the other members of parliament who have come in here. We have Kumari Selja joining us over here. Kumari Selja ji, what would you like to say about the manner in which the police has behaved over here and about your protest? Will the protest continue?
But this is what we are saying. This is total dictatorship in this country. There is no democracy. There's no democratic system alive in this country.
Ma'am, are you going to raise this issue continuously?
We have raised it in the House. We will keep raising it in the House. We will keep raising it on the roads.
Ma'am, Dr. Jitendra Singh, who came here, says that first he was assured by Rahul ji that he would be okay if there's a discussion in house. Then when he got the permission, Rahul ji said that he wants a resignation.
No.
Dharmendra Pradhan.
These were all said together. There's nothing like that there's only one condition. No. All
he
these
claims that Rahul ji
conditions we
changed the
have
goalpost.
been. But ये तो बीजेपी क्या है? भारतीय झूठी सरकार है, झूठी पार्टी है.
Okay. So that's the response coming in from the Congress party to what Dr. Jitendra Singh said, because he was very clear and categorical that there was a volte-face, there was a change of the position as far as the Congress party is concerned. That first Rahul Gandhi demanded that there be a discussion in house, and when that was agreed upon, Jitendra Singh in his post very clearly saying that Rahul Gandhi then said that he needs the resignation of the education minister. So hugely dramatic scenes right outside LKM. You can see the massive deployment as far as security is concerned over here, something that we very, very rarely see, and this kind of drama taking place the day after the CGP protests and the kind of violence that we saw on the streets of New Delhi. Let me go across to Bhavtosh. Bhavtosh, where are all of those who have been detained going to be taken? Are they going to be taken to the Parliament Street police station or some other location? Can you tell our viewers what to expect next?
So political parties have been shifted to Mandir Marg and sometimes to Parliament Street police station. We can tell that most of the leaders of...
And will you continue the protest as well? Will you continue the protest in coming days? Are you, demand is of the resignation of the education minister. Are they now?
To protests that happened, such protests don't happen in the capital. It's been a very rare occasion. We had seen such protests happening in the capital a decade back, but a protest like this by opposition, leader of opposition, was something that one never expected, and it went on for over 2 hours with Home Secretary as well as MOS PMO.
Of course, the traffic along with that, but DK Shivkumar in fact talking over there, saying that this is our democratic right. We're going to continue to protest on the issue of education. He, of course, among the leaders who have been detained and been taken into that bus that we see over here. So huge amount of deployment as far as police is concerned. Extremely dramatic turn of events. And if the government was criticized during the CJP protest for not engaging, this time around at least they have sent the Minister of State and the Prime Minister's office, the Home Secretary, to come out and reach out to Rahul Gandhi. Now the version of Jitendra Singh is that they first agreed to a discussion inside the House. That was a demand placed by Rahul Gandhi. And once he got that permission from the the top levels of the government, then Rahul Gandhi changed his demand and asked for the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. This is a stated position of Dr. Jitendra Singh, something that Congress party denies. They are coming out to say that they have always demanded the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, and they will continue to do so. They will continue the fight inside and outside of Parliament as far as this key issue is concerned. So extremely dramatic scenes over here, dramatic turn of events. You can see Priyanka Gandhi. In fact, the camera can just pan and show you. She's standing on the footboard of that particular bus, and she's about to be taken inside the bus. And of course, she, along with several of her party members of Parliament, are going to enter the bus and continue. In fact, as far as the protest is concerned, they are likely to be taken to the Parliament Street police station or one of the nearby police stations where they would be delayed, where they would be detained. The Tilak Bar police station is also not very far from here. So Tughlaq Road police station also not very far from here. So whether they would be taken there remains to be seen. But very clearly, important turn of events as far as today's protest is concerned. We've seen, of course, dramatic scenes yesterday, and today for the second consecutive day, we're looking at a similar sort of a situation on the streets of Lutyens, Delhi, on the streets of the national capital, something that we very, very regularly do not see, and certainly an unprecedented scene that has been seen as far as this government is concerned in the past 12 years. Let me also try and go across to my other colleagues who are joining us at this point of time. Sabyasachi, if you can hear me, these protests have been, of course, very significant. We have seen the Congress party coming and making its point, but what does this mean for the larger issue of opposition unity? We've seen Akhilesh Yadav, we've seen Supriya Sule come in over here, but the left has been missing. We've also not seen over here, in fact, the Aam Aadmi Party. Sabyasachi.
towards Rashtrapati Bhavan, but that did not happen because we have seen that both Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav in fact put out a message while leaving the parliament that the Rashtrapati is not in the city. Now after that, that allegation that has come in from the Aam Aadmi Party surely saying that the Congress Party is trying to weaken the agitation of the CJP, and this move by the Congress Party to carry out the protest in front of the residence of Prime Minister without keeping the opposition parties in acknowledgement. But we have seen that whether it is Akhilesh Yadav, Supriya Shule, all these leaders were here extending their support to Rahul Gandhi and the Congress Party. And the major question, it is the common agenda as far as the opposition parties are concerned, because in the India bloc meeting that has been taking place, all the leaders are of the view that in these coming days the issue of need should be the prime focus of all the political parties in parliament, and it should be raised in the house.
All right, and in fact, let me quickly bring in Priyank as well. Priyank, if you can hear me, the situation at this point of time is that these police personnel have taken all the leaders, including Priyanka Gandhi, who's literally hanging from the footboard of that particular bus. This is, of course, going to be a very, very significant message, or a visual message that is being sought to be portrayed here. And Priyanka Gandhi literally hanging from the edge of that bus. Niyamika also with us. Niyamika, very dramatic visuals of the manner in which Priyanka Gandhi is being detained. Over to you, Niyamika.
You can see in the visuals as well that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra can be seen here. She's hanging there as now she has been detained by the Delhi police, as we can see in the visuals as well that how Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is now there inside the bus. She has been detained by the Delhi police, and all of these leaders of the Congress Party are now being taken to the police station. In fact, Rahul Gandhi has also been detained by the Delhi police just now. Mr. K.C. Venugopal, who has also got injured due to this protest, he has also been taken by the Delhi police. Now you can also see the visuals here that how it is now Mr. K.C. Venugopal who has been detained by the Delhi police. You can see that how he has been taken by the Delhi police personnel along with the other senior leaders of the Congress Party, be it Rajendra Pal Gautam or the Congress Party's Lok Sabha MPs or from the state of Kerala. All of them are basically accompanying Mr. K.C. Venugopal here. Very dramatic visuals from this side, from the outside the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Congress members have been now detained from this particular location, as earlier the police had tried to convince all of these leaders to move from this location, because they were stating that this is not a protest site and it is not allowed for anyone to hold a dharna outside the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But when the Congress Party was firm on their demand, as they had stated it very clearly that they are not going to move away, that is the only reason why now the Delhi police has detained all the Congress members, including Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, as well as Mr. K.C. Venugopal. You can see in the visuals as well that how these are the Congress leaders who are now being taken away by the Delhi police to the police station, as they have now been detained, and the protest is now seems to get over, because all of these leaders are now being removed outside the residence of Prime Minister.
Well, absolutely. And in fact, if I can just quickly show you, this is the rear gate to the entrance as far as Lok Kalyan Marg is concerned. And in fact, this is very clearly written over here, very clearly mentioned that this is a restricted area, and that is very clearly put up as far as the board over here is concerned. This being the case, Rahul Gandhi coming here and his entire party's leadership, his party's leaders present here in large numbers, at least 2 chief ministers and several of his party's top leaders, General Secretary, including Priyanka Gandhi, etc., who are present over here. This certainly has taken the entire all right, there are visuals coming in, I believe, of Rahul Gandhi's detention. That is the latest coming in. In fact, Priyank is with us as well. Priyank, a dramatic manner in which Rahul Gandhi was detained from outside Lok Kalyan Marg. Take us through what exactly transpired. Take our viewers through what you saw. All right, I believe Bhavtosh is with us. Yes, Bhavtosh, over to you.
Well, Rahul Gandhi was detained, and in fact, the detention followed, as you rightly said, it's a prohibited place, a restricted zone, and despite attempts by the government and particularly by the PMO as well as Home Secretary, when that didn't made Rahul Gandhi and other senior leaders of Congress to move from here, it was decided that he will be moved out. Now, Rahul Gandhi, along with other Congress leaders, have now been placed under detention. It could be possible that they will later be released, but around 25 to 30 of them have been detained. It could be possible that the senior Congress leader would be kept at a different place, Congress workers would be kept at a different place, but what the police had said is that everything has been done in a legal manner. But what we have been telling our viewers that such kind of protests are not very common in the capital, and in fact many of the Delhiites have forgotten such protests. But the incidents that have happened in past 2 days, the first protest by the Cockroach Janata Party, which turned very ugly and violent, and then Rahul Gandhi protesting outside of the rear gate of PM's residence. Obviously, these two incidents will have now turned very political, and one has to wait and see what will happen now, whether opposition will join hands or not.
Of course, politics is definitely going to be played out. In fact, I spoke to Priyanka Gandhi while she was being detained, and she said that we'll continue to raise these issues in Parliament. What really will be next course of action for Congress Party? What will be the next course of action for opposition? And of course, how will they take these issues forward? Those remain some very important questions after today's dramatic protest. But for the moment, I'd like to thank all our reporters for joining us. Priyanka.